Shares of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited reached a record high on May 16 following a stellar performance in the fourth quarter. The stock surged by around 10% to close at Rs 4,637.9, exceeding its previous all-time high. HAL stock surged more than 18% in the last week. Now, before delving into the reasons for this surge, let's first take a look at HAL's business. The company plays a major role in the whole defense sector. Currently, HAL is majority owned by the government and is involved in design, fabrication and assembly of airplanes, jet engines, helicopters and related equipments for both military and civilian use. And interestingly, HAL enjoys a monopoly position in the domestic defense aircraft market as the Indian government prioritizes sourcing defense equipment from indigenous sources, giving HAL a significant advantage by getting a lot of support and contracts from the government. Secondly, over decades, HAL has built a strong reputation for its technical capabilities and experience in designing and manufacturing complex defense aircraft. Now, coming back to the reasons behind the surge in the share price. First is the company's strong Q4 results. HAL has shown a significant increase in the revenue in the fourth quarter. Revenue grew at a rate of 18% from Rs 12,495 crore in Q4 financial year 23 to Rs 14,769 crore in Q4 financial year 24. Now, what's impressive is that the net profit grew at a rate of 52% from Rs 2,831 crore in Q4 financial year 23 to Rs 4,309 crore in Q4 financial year 24. The company's operating margin also came in at a massive 40% in the recent quarter. The company had previously delivered 24% margin in Q3 financial year 24 and 26% in Q4 financial year 23. Now, coming to the ratios, both the return ratios, that is return on equity and return on capital employed, hover around 30% mark, showing how efficiently the company is employing funds into the business. Now, coming to yearly results, if you can see on the chart on your screen, the total revenue came in at Rs 30,381 crores in financial year 24, growing at a 13% rate. This number was also revised higher from Rs 29,810 crore number it had reported provisionally on April 1 this year. The operating profit margin has also been increasing consistently, peaking at 32% in financial year 24, indicating enhanced profitability and cost management. Now, when we look at the net profit, it has also grown by 31% year over year to Rs 7,621 crore. Beyond its impressive financial performance, HAL has been busy solidifying its position in the defense sector. Firstly, HAL is the primary supplier of military aircraft to India. Secondly, there is a long-term sustainable demand for HAL's products. This demand is driven by the Indian government's push for Indianization in defense procurement under the Make in India initiative. This policy not only boosts our self-reliance but also supports domestic defense industry. Moreover, HAL's order book is robust. The company recently secured its largest ever domestic military hardware order by the Indian government, a massive contract valued at Rs 65,000 crore. Moreover, throughout the past fiscal year, they secured major orders exceeding 19,000 crore rupees, demonstrating strong domestic demand for their products. Additionally, the company received repair and overhaul contracts valued at over Rs 16,000 crores. The company also recently signed a successful export contract with the Guyana Defense Forces for the supply of 2 Hindustan 228 aircraft. All of these factors have led the share price to hit an all-time high. Having said that, this is Aditi Priya signing off.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.